Hi everybody, here we are, new video. In this video I replaced the laser unit on PS1 slim model. It's a simple video. I think about to delete him, but why not to show you? Maybe somebody find it interesting. So it's slim model. Here you can see. Do not spell it. I record this video during the day afternoon on something like that. So there is many sounds around me. My kid, my wife, and I decide to show you this one. This like. Sorry for my bad English. I must practice. As always, this video is for entertainment only. Please, if you need any repair stuff or similar job to do, contact skilled persons or some service if you don't know anything about that, about this stuff. The video is speeding by himself. I don't know why. Maybe because this program. Oh, I drink coffee. Unfortunately, when I replace the laser unit, I figure out that the laser unit is broken. So I desoldered only the laser generator and solder to the old one laser unit. I posted a video earlier about that. You can see on my channel. Not doing the job, just explaining what I have done. I didn't record that, I don't know why, but I tried to find a video on YouTube for this unit disassembling. Not just replacing, but disassembling, and didn't found. So maybe in future, if I found some broken here, if I found some broken laser unit, I do it again and record the video. I think we can speed this a little. Maybe not. Let's see. It's not a long video, about 15 minutes. I realize that people don't like long videos. Maybe some people with, I don't know, 200, 300, 1 million subscribers, and they have so many followers, and somebody have time to watch long videos. So I try to make short videos to people. I really don't know if I am right, but that's my opinion. when people see long video, they just bah. I don't have time for that. We live in world of speed. We don't have so much time for fun. Most of us. This looks very clean, so I didn't clean anything. Just this piece of, how to say, cover. It's a little dusty and that's it. You will see my head few times in big plan. Sorry for that. Okay, now you didn't see anything. Okay. Let's put this all back. On this new laser unit, the flat cable reaches all around the laser and connected on few places. In one point was broken. So I don't trust the sailor. He said it's a new laser. I got tricked. Am I say good? Tricked? Okay, tricked, fooled, whatever. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's manufacturer failure. The guy told me he just pull out the laser from the box and figure out that he buy the wrong model. Maybe that's true, but I don't think so. Okay, this is the old one. The power cable must be transferred to a new one. I don't have a tool. I saw somebody have these tools for how to say, cable disconnections or these connectors. I must try to buy it. But I like to buy from eBay, from AliExpress. It's much cheaper than in our shops here. But due to situation about virus and that, I really think that will never come to me, so I must wait to stabilize. You see my head. The laser or flat cable was broken here somewhere. You may think I broken with this this my movements. No, here was broken inside this housing. I have problems with this flat cable. Oh, sorry. Bah. this thing which holds the flat cable was how to say, soft. Was soft, so I have difficult to put in the connector. You see my hand is shaking. I really push hard. The video is spinning by himself. Why? I don't know. Okay, let's put the Captain tape. Speed up a little. Okay, so okay. You see? And put the screws back, and that's it, more or less. Thank you for your time and watching. If you like the video, please click like. If you want to support my work and inspire me for future videos, please subscribe, and see you on some next video. Bye bye.